Okay, let's talk about washing a Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. Okay, let's just talk about washing a car. It's time to wash this car again. And yes, it does get dusty and dirty every single day. So, what do? You make sure that your car is clean inside and out. Well, what do you need? I mean, like, what do you need to keep it clean besides soap and water? You need some little soft microfiber wash mittens or sponges to keep it absolutely spot free and clean. And by the way, sometimes you will get a little bit of a scratch on it. But the only way you're going to find that scratch is by keeping it clean. Do you see that little mark right there? Right there. That looks like a big old rock just hit it. And now I need to fix it. Oh, what do I do? How did that happen? It does not matter. You need to keep your car absolutely clean. Just like that young lady here is white. Well, not that clean, but just make sure you're taking care of your car on a weekly basis. I would say every day, but that might be too much for some of us. But remember, pre-rinse off that extra dirt, mud, all the things that you don't need. But you know what? Start with your wheels and tire first. Of course, use a hand bucket and never, ever, ever use the brush at a self-serving car wash. I mean, never, underneath no circumstances. Then, of course, you rinse and you dry. You can absolutely go to like a really inexpensive store and buy like a mop head with a little stick and just bring your own little mop brush. And that way it's free from all those harsh scratches and things that you don't want in your car. But of course, this is me once again taking care of the TRD Pro. Make sure you wash the very top of your car. That is where the bird poops and you can't see it. And if you're on a nice hot day, it's just gonna like burn it, cook it in your paint. But anyway, also make sure you wash your mats. That's if you have the mats that can be washed the way I like it. Anyway, I just wanted to share I'm back at it again, taking care of this TRD Pro. Don't forget to rinse completely with a nice hose, okay? And dry immediately with the microfiber towels, okay? Or you can use a blower to prevent water spots. But I was told if you use a blower, it's like blowing scratches on your car. So just take care of it and don't forget to check the roof. All right, this is me back again at the car wash. I will tell you later the 10 favorite things that I like about the 4Runner TRD Pro 2024. So keep looking out for that video, my favorite 10 things about a TRD Pro that maybe you just didn't know. Well, thank you for your kindness and have a good day, and make sure you keep your car clean inside and out.